Yo boys, finally after 2 months, the car parking multiplayer new beta update just dropped. On this beta, we've got 3 new cars, and the developers will add 2 other cars before the update is available to the public. On this video, I'll be showing you guys everything that has been added. But before we get on the video, shout out to these awesome channel subscribers. If you also want a shout out on the next video, subscribe and comment shout out. Alright boys, so the first car that was added is the 2018 Kia Stingray. It has some opening doors and a nicely detailed engine and interior design, with a real-time mini map screen display next to the steering wheel. On the game store, this car goes for 1,000 coins, which I honestly think is overpriced, since this car is basically a knockoff of the Dodge Charger, which costs cash, not coins. The next car that was added is the Ferrari F40, which I honestly think is the only good car they've added on this update. Most of you guys might know this car from GTA Vice City. It has opening doors, hood, and a trunk animation. It also has some insanely detailed specs along with 2 different interior designs, which aren't that different to one another. The Ferrari F40 costs 2,500 coins on the game store, which is a very reasonable price. The third car that was added is the 1994 Audi RS2. I don't have anything much to say about this car. I don't love it, and I don't hate it. It's a decent car with a decent interior.
It is decent! Tell them, blood, it's decent!
On the game store, the Audi RS2 costs $1.5 million. Interjectionally, all of these cars support the W16 engine, which is really awesome. On this new update, we've got a new lobby background, and the devs have added some new clothes, all of which cost anywhere between 100 and 1,000 coins. In addition, I think these are also way too overpriced and expensive.
Weird.
Personally, I think we shouldn't have clothes that cost the same amount of money as some of the cars. It's very unrealistic. Let me know what you guys think. Alright boys, so besides the things I've mentioned so far, we've also got some door animations for a couple of cars, including the McLaren 720S. Rolls-Royce Cullinan, which also got an interior update. Before the update, it didn't have a mini map screen on the interior. The Corvette C8 also got door animations and a mini map screen. They've also added some new door, hood, and trunk animations for this Toyota Hilux, as well as 2 pickup trucks, otherwise known as DAF and Kenworth truck. By the way, boys, if you've made it this far, comment W so I know who the real channel supporters are.
W's in the shot.
The desert map was also entirely changed. If you guys would like to see another video entirely dedicated on this new map, let me know in the comments section.